Hi everyone, it's Zen again and welcome back for another vlog here in my YouTube channel. Good morning everyone, it's Diane again and welcome back for another book of vlog here in our YouTube channel. And in today's vlog, we are here at Book of Super Bazaar, Tsunoshima. So if you have been watching my vlog, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to explore this Book of Super Bazaar now. Ito naman is 700,000 yen. Ang gaganda, no? We're here naman. I don't know the color. Same. Cream color Louis Vuitton. 5,000 yen. Is 320,000 Christian Dior bag. 250,000 Dior bag. 220,000 is Louis Vuitton. 220,000 to 40,000. Ito namang pambabaeng Louis Vuitton bag. 48,000. Discounted price ng mga Louis Vuitton. Yan, nandito pala tayo sa Louis Vuitton. Yan. Mga, ano to, mga purses and what. 11,000 yen. Guys, pero di pala sila dito ulit mga Chanel bag. This is Yokohama Station. Diba? Sobrang dami tao. I think pangalawa to sa pinaka-crowded na station dito sa Japan. So if you have been watching my vlog, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to explore this Book of Super Bazaar now. Yan. 650,000 yen. Yun yung quality ng hardware. Gold. 650,000 yen. Ito naman, 720,000 yen. With QR code. Sa taas din. 650,000 yen. Ito naman is 700,000 yen. Chanel flat bag. So ito naman is ito is 200,000 yen. Chanel bag. Ito is very classic Chanel flap bag with a price of 520,000 yen. close up natin yung lock. Tapos yung strap. 9 out of 10 guys. 520,000. Dito naman sa taas, 500,000 yen. It's a classic Chanel flap bag in gold hardware. 500,000 yen. Ang gaganda, no? So, meron din sila ditong mga purses and wallet na Chanel. So, itong isa, 250,000 yen. Meron din siyang QR code. Ayan. Next to that is 64,000 yen. Chanel wallet. 64,000 yen. The next to that is this 200,000 yen. Para siyang lagayan ng cellphone or mini bag siya. With QR code for authenticity. This is 200,000 yen. And then sa baba naman dito is itong Fendi na bag. And the price is 360,000 yen. Fendi bag. Ito naman is Fendi bag din. 350,000 yen. They also have here, ito naman is snakeskin Fendi bag. 320,000 yen. Meron din sila ditong wool crusted bag in gold hardware. 220,000 yen. Ito naman yung mga classic design Fendi bag. 320,000 yen. 320,000 yen. May isa yellow and then yung isa naman pink. So yung pink, 200,000 yen. Tapos yung pinakababa naman, Gucci bag. Orange. Tote bag. 180,000 yen. Next to that is this classic Loewe tote bag. This is 140,000 yen. Ito naman 144,000 yen. This is Loewe bag. In pristine condition din siya, guys. With QR code for authenticity, same. Ito din 130,000 yen Gucci bag. With QR code for authenticity. Celine bag. This is 220,000 yen. We're here naman sa Louis Vuitton na mga bags. Itong pinakamalaki, 160,000 yen. Yung sa baba niya, 200,000 yen. I don't know the color. Parang siyang cream color ng Louis Vuitton. Meron naman dito the same cream color Louis Vuitton. And the price of this one is 320,000 yen. In pristine condition. Walang gasgas, sobrang linis. Para siyang bago. Ito din 290,000 yen. May QR code din po ito para sa authentication ng bag. Itong maliit na bag, 68,000 yen. Tapos sa pinakababa niya, nandito yung Christian Dior na bag. Which is 235,000 yen. Sa Sa pinakataas din. Bag din ng Christian Dior. 200,000 yan. Ito naman Christian Dior na bag. Ito wala siyang price. Nakatago ata. Tanong natin mamaya. This is 320,000 Christian Dior bag. Close up natin para makita nyo yung hawakan, yung handle. Diba sobrang linis niya. The same with this one. 250,000. Ang ganda. Tapos sa baba din, mga Christian Dior. This is 180,000 yen. Black Dior bag. With a price of 180,000 yen. Then ito naman Louis Vuitton. 220,000 yen. Mahaba siya na Louis Vuitton bag. Tingnan nyo naman yung niya, handle, walang gas-gas. So we are on our part 2 at ito naman is mga watches naman tayo. Mag-shopping tayo ng watch. Kaya check natin kung magkano yung mga price dito. So Kentex brand. This is 18,000 yen and then 16,000 yen at 7,000 yen. I think may mga box pa to. Welcome sa shoe section dito sa Book Off. Ngayon, we're gonna find out kung magkakano tong mga Air Jordan, Air Max, diba? Sa mga shoe collector dyan, ito na yung episode na para sa inyo. So we are at Book Off Shinoshima. Malalaman natin yung mga pricing dito ng mga Nikes para may estimate naman kayo kung magkakano naman. Okay? So let's start dito sa mga shoes na nandito.